In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a small business or just learning the ropes of accounting, creating a balance sheet is essential to knowing your financial status. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, the first step you'll want to take is clicking on Sign In to access your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, let's navigate to the all-important section for report generation. Head over to the Reports tab. This section houses various reports that QuickBooks can generate, but today our focus is solely on the balance sheet. Once you're in the Reports tab, you'll want to make use of the search functionality. Start by typing in Balance Sheet into the search bar. QuickBooks will immediately start filtering the reports to bring up the balance sheet option. It's a very user-friendly feature that helps cut down the time you spend looking for what you need. After the search results are displayed, click on the Balance Sheet link. This action brings up your balance sheet, which is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of what your company owns and what it owes, as well as the amount invested by shareholders. Now, let's talk customization. QuickBooks Online offers some flexibility here, which can be incredibly handy. You can adjust the reporting period if you need to focus on a specific date range or financial year. This is particularly helpful if you need insights for quarterly reporting or an annual review. Being able to customize your balance sheet means you can pull the exact information you need when you need it, making your analysis more precise and relevant to your current needs. Finally, with just a few clicks, you've successfully created and accessed your balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. This financial statement is a powerful tool that can help you understand your business's financial well-being and make informed decisions moving forward. It's more than just numbers on a page. It's insight into how your business is performing over time. Remember, getting comfortable with these features can take some practice, but having regular access to your balance sheet is invaluable for monitoring your business's financial health. So take the time to explore and familiarize yourself with other reports too. QuickBooks offers a range of financial reports that can give you a comprehensive view of your business's performance. The more you use these tools, the more adept you'll become at navigating and understanding your financial landscape. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide to creating a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more business and financial management tutorials. Until next time.